Okay, what we're going to do on my 2002 Land Rover Discovery SD is we're going to modify the problem of the brake pedal being too close to the gas pedal. So I have my brake pedals that I'm going to install set up with the next to the brake and the gas pedal. This is the problem. The space between the gas pedal and the brake pedal often causes difficulty when driving, especially when backing up. And anybody that has a wide foot, size 11 E or wider, usually has a problem differentiating between the two when driving, especially when backing up. This can cause a problem, and it can lead to many accidents, I'm sure. So what I'm going to do is I want to modify this so to increase the space between the gas pedal and the brake pedal. Easiest way to do this is to remove the rubber, which I have previously done already. And now we're going to take a Sawzall and we're going to cut this. Now the bar behind the brake pedal curves, and it comes down like this. So it comes across and then it comes down like this. So we're going to cut about 1 inch of this off, which will give us enough clearance to increase the space between the brake pedal and the gas pedal. So I'm going to go ahead and get my Sawzall out and start to cut. Okay, what I've done is I've taken my Sawzall and I cut a little bit more than 1 inch off the brake pedal. I supported the brake from vibrating with a old CD drive and some bricks. That kept this from vibrating while I was cutting. So now I've cut the 1 inch and I've got the space I need. Now the next step is to mount this plate exactly where I want it to. Now based on the original plate, it was approximately 3 inches away from the gas pedal. This other plate, the new plate, you need to mount it back so it gives you that extra, at least an extra 1/2 inch of space between a wide foot and the gas pedal. So now I'm going to show you how to secure this.